choice to risk it all. This is the one that makes you go for it, just to impress yourself, because you don't need to impress anyone. The freedom to embrace the unknown, to go beyond, explore, adventure and luxury. Time to take what you've earned. Today we're on board the Azimut 30M Magellano. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center. Welcome aboard. On board the Azimut 30M Magellano, this boat's all about luxury, design, performance, owner experience, and one more thing, adventure. What we're going to find on this boat is complete comfort while you're exploring in some new destinations. We're walking into the salon, large windows, letting that natural light in. Beautiful design, luxury everywhere. Take note of the minimalistic approach that Azimut's done on this boat. Look at the furnishings. Look how luxurious this boat is. You've got seating for 10. Beautiful art, but minimalistic. Let's take a minute. Let's go up to the galley. I want to show you how luxurious the minimalistic approach can be. As we're walking forward into the galley, you'll notice you've got a wine cooler set beautifully in here, refrigerations, freezer, microwave convection oven. See nothing on these countertops, plenty of space for food preparation. A huge Miele stovetop, another oven, all Miele equipment. But you'll notice all the light that comes in here. And just as you go down those stairs, you've got the crew quarters. We're not going to go through there today, but we are going to walk back into the owner's stateroom. We're in the master suite of the Azimut 30M Magellano. Just take note of the nautical wood finishes, the beautiful marble, full standing closets, mirrored all the way floor to ceiling. We're coming in here, take a look at all the natural light on this on-deck master that you get. Look at the materials they've used. Look at how when you're putting your makeup on, that you're looking out a beautiful window. Over here we've got seating just to relax. Maybe you're reading a book, you're taking some notes for that business meeting. We've got a TV behind the mirrored screen here. Beautiful, beautiful bed. Again, that minimalistic approach, and it's just absolutely stunning. Let's take a quick look at what we get in the master bathroom. Dual sinks and a beautiful stand-up shower. I'm 6'3", and I'm standing in this shower with plenty of headroom. We're in the guest quarters on the boat, and this is a 5-cabin boat with a master being on deck. 4 cabins down here for your guests. Just take a look at all the natural lighting that comes in. You can imagine how your guests and your family are going to feel enjoying time down below in their own private cabin. I'm at the helm of the Azimut 30M Magellano. Just look at this layout. 3 huge Garmin displays. This boat has 1,200 horsepower MAN engines, 2 large generators, 3,831 gallons of fuel. This boat will go over 1,200 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 12 knots. Top end is 25 knots. You can probably get around 18 as a nice speed to cruise. We've got hydraulic bow and stern thrusters, all your controls. What's specifically nice about this boat is this does come with a joystick. It's a shaft drive boat. Just look at how futuristic this helm is. We're in the spectacular sky lounge of the Azimut 30M Magellano. Behind me was the helm, and as we walk through here, just look how luxurious this sky lounge is. Beautiful, comfortable seating, lots of natural light. This is a great area to come and relax in the air conditioning. Let's step outside these automatic doors and let's take a look at the outside dining area you have for 10. Look at the design, the materials that they've used out here. But look how beautiful this is. We're gonna look at this bar. Could you imagine talking about your adventures of the day? You were scuba diving, what did you see? You were hiking, you were rock climbing, and you're out here and you're talking about that exciting day that you had with your family and your friends. Up on the bow, we've got a jacuzzi on this boat with a whole nother lounging area. Take a look at this lounging area here. It's comfortable, it's minimalistic, and it's ready for you and your family. This boat is 97 feet 5 inches long, 23-foot beam, 6.9 draft, 3,831 gallons of fuel. This boat is ready to go. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center, and I look forward to seeing you out on the water.